Okay, I want everybody to know why this app is basically useless. I'm posting this just so hopefully so the developers can actually fix this because it's a great concept. The execution is just absolutely horrible. So I'm going to show you. Here's the problem, and this is the problem that I'm running into too. Okay, so we're going to look at some of these. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go into totes. Okay, and in the totes offer spend $250 and get a free bag tote. Okay, so I'm not going to do this one. I'm actually going to go. I got to find the one that I started with. I want to do the exact same way I did it before. All right, so no, not shoes. It was bags, and here it was. It was this weekend bag. Okay, so on this weekend bag, I add it to my cart. Okay, I see here I get 20% off if I order 5, 10 for 10 if I order 40. Okay, that's cool. Spend 100, 250 and get a free tote bag. Guess what? I'm seeing the ad from the previous one popped up. I should be seeing an ad that says buy 5 and get 20% off, not spend 250 and get a free tote bag. So there's the first one. Okay, so let's just click that and get rid of that. So I'm going to add it to my cart. Okay, boom. Okay, so now I'm in my cart. It's 65, 65. Everything looks good. And it tells me order at least 5 to get it at 20% off. Okay, well, all right, let's do this. See what happens. 5. Okay, this is what my new price is going to be, $52. Great. So here's where the confusing part gets in, and this is where the execution on this is really bad. Is it says 325 US here. 325 is the total of 65 times 5. You'd only see what the actual sales price is down here at the bottom, where it's 260. So 52 times 5 is 260. There should be a basically a line through this, and it should have this 260 there. You know, that's how it should be. Okay, this is going to get even worse here now. Okay, so what happens if I now want to sit there? I added 5 of those. Let's say I want to add a pair of shoes. Let's add a pair of shoes to this. Okay, so we go shoes. Okay, well the right thing popped up. It says buy 1 pair of shoes and get another for 50% off. So let's add a pair of shoes. So I still got the right pop-up on this one. Boom. I'm going to add this to my cart. Whoa. Okay, here comes the pop-up. Should be getting a pop-up, shouldn't I? Shouldn't I get a pop-up? Oh, wait. I don't get a pop-up, do I? I'm not getting a pop-up. Why wouldn't I get a pop-up? If I hit update, what happens? Nothing. And then a pop-up offering me, I don't have that banner up here anymore. So let's just go back and let's add another pair of shoes here. Okay, and I'm going to add this pair of shoes this time. Oh, buy 1 pair. So I got the thing again. Here, I'm going to add this to the cart now. Oh, look. If I were just looking at this as just a normal consumer, this is where I would abandon my cart and go, I'm getting the fuck out of here. These people don't know what the hell they're doing. So here you go. Look, lace up sandals, low back, $88. Lace up sandals, whatever, the snowbound, $88. This is 52, but it's 325. Okay. Oh wait, down here, tiny little words. Lace up sandal discounts $44. Now how do I figure out if I'm getting the discount from the 325? Guess what I got to do? I got to pull up a calculator and go, wait, let me check to make sure this is right. Okay, so let's do 3. Let's clear this out. 325. Wait, 325 plus 88 plus 88 is 501. So there it is without any discounts, right? So maybe if it's, let's do 52 times 5, because we got to figure out what that price is by itself, which is $260. Okay, so nowhere on this page does it say $260 for that bag, right? Then I got to add 88. Okay, I'm at 348. Then add 88, and I'm at 436. And now I got to subtract 44. Oh yeah, okay, my math is good, but how the fuck I got there, no one knows. And it gets worse. It just gets worse, okay? So now watch. I'm gonna go here to tableware, okay? And I'm gonna add this plate. Oh wow, get 10% off when you buy a handmade ceramic mug, bowl, and dish set together. So I gotta buy a mug, bowl, and dish set together. Okay, so let's hit this. Let's add this. Oh, wait, what's going on? Where's my pop-up? Where's my pop-up? Okay, so let's go back here to tableware. Let's get a bowl, go back to my bowl. Okay, let's add the bowl now. Okay, so I got the bowl. There's my pop-up it's supposed to pop up for the 10% discount. Oh, I gotta have a mug. That's right. So let's add a mug. Okay. Boom. I got the mug. I should have an extra 10% off. Wow. There it shows up as $42 as a separate line. So in this one, you get it. This one, get nothing. All right. So now let's get even crazier here. Let's add one of these baskets. $200, especially when you order 3. So let's order 3. But look, $210 there. Confusing again. Oh, but here's my $10 savings there. But what does that $10 go to? And what does this one go to? At least this one tells you what it is, you know, that you get the savings on. This one just says enjoy your savings. Enjoy your savings. It's just insane how they've done this. And this should be scratched out. It should say $200 underneath it. You know? And these here should say, it should be your 10% off. And it's what it ought to be is, if they want to program it correctly, is they ought to just do 10% off across the board. As soon as this kicks in, scratch this out and just at minus $240, minus $3.20, minus, you know, $36.40. This is a set of, you know, it's just crazy how this works. It's just really bad coding. You know, and you know, if you're gonna buy this stuff and you're gonna put it on your store, you're just gonna confuse your customers, because what's gonna end up happening is they're gonna go, wait, I'm not getting my discount. Oh wait, and then you want them to sit there and pull out a calculator and make sure they're getting their savings, and then guess what? Add a discount code, and then see what happens. It gets even worse. So you know, it's like, okay, so here's a throw. Okay. The discount is 30% any item from the textile collection at checkout. Okay, so I'm supposed to get 30% off here. So $280. 10% is $28. So I should be getting this. Oh, this one shows me a price here, $196, but why over here is the total still there? I get this. This works. This is fine. This is exactly what you want to see here, but you want to see that on every single one of these items as soon as you go over. This one should have it under here. It should say, enjoy your 50% off. Boom, $44. And this should say $44. It should be line item by line item. This should be the $88 normal price. And then you should go, you know, the buy one, get one, 50% off. Here you go, $44, $44. The plates should be like, you set 10% off. Boom. Discount, 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 discount. And that's what it should be. It should be across. And this one here should, as soon as I do 3, it should say enjoy your savings. $70. And then here, this one's tricky. So this one, because you have to buy 3 at $70, then you get a discount here to drop it down to 200. You should say enjoy your savings and just change this price, but you don't change this price. But and then right now I've got a $10, $44, and $42. But guess what? The savings is up here on this one, and the savings is here on this one. But then the other 3 are down here. So where's the consistency in this? I mean, are there limitations on how they can program and put these other ones in here? Can those other ones show up here, or they're just trying to work around what Shopify has done to get this to work? Because right now this is horrible. You can't mix these together at all. And the crazy part is if I go in here and I clear out my cart, I'm going to clear out my cart and I'm going to show you something. You saw it at the very beginning. Yeah, it'd be nice if they had a cart clearing button. And this is one of the problems about not having an Ajax cart, is that you actually have to wait for the reload on this. Okay, so I go in here and I go to my totes. I'm going to add here 7 totes here, and I'm going to add this. Okay, when I add this, what was my sale on this? Nothing, right? So let's go back. Let's go to bags and totes. Let's go to this one. I have no pop-up. Nothing. Oh, this is the quantity one. Okay, sorry. All right, let's go to this one. Let's go to this first Riviera tote nude. Okay. I'm going to sit here and wait. Yeah, no pop-up. Says, all right, so let's go to the home page and just these are the craziest things about them is, it says use these credit cards to test this stuff, but was it free gift? Yeah, let's do this one. So let's do a bag. I'm going to add this bag, add it. Where's my pop-up? I'm supposed to get a free gift when I do this, right? No free gift, I guess, huh? Yeah, it's unfortunately, it's a great concept. It's just horrible execution. And I can't believe that it's the #1 sales app. I mean, it blows my mind. People must not be doing it very many different complications. They're probably just using it for the BOGOs. That's it. That's the only thing I can think of. It's because there's the pop-up. So the pop-up works for this. But wait. look at what it did this time. All right, so here we go, Mr. Consistent. So I added that tote bag, remember, to the cart. This time I come back to this page, and I get the $250 and get a free tote bag, and I get to buy 1 pair of shoes. So I already have the tote in my cart. It didn't come up. So I'm gonna let's add the shoe. See what happens. Okay, I'm gonna add that to my cart. Any pop-up? Oh my god. No. What happens if I order 2 of these? I'm going to order the same one and see what happens. See if there's a bug in this. No, I got the discount, but you wouldn't know that here until you look down here. But I have no idea there's any other discount involved here, because I don't know if I'm getting one in this Macro basket. Yeah, I don't know if I'm supposed to be getting one. Oh. Anyways, my point is that I made this video just so that people could see the problem with it, because I installed it on my store and I started using it, and I realized that there was no consistency, and it started messing me up, and my conversion rate went way down. And you know, it's a great idea. Don't get me wrong. The guys came up with a great idea. This is something that's needed in Shopify, and being able to do this stuff, limiting only to one discount in Shopify is a pain. But execution-wise, somebody, whoever's doing the testing on this stuff, it needs to really go through. I mean, all they have to do is spend an hour on this demo site, and they can see all the stuff that's wrong. I see it on my site. I saw that pop-up bar pop up sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't pop up. Sometimes the pop-up pops up. Sometimes it doesn't pop up. It's just not consistent. So right now, I give it an A in an idea, and I give it an F in execution. I mean, I definitely wouldn't recommend this to anyone. It's not in a usable form. If you're trying to make money in this business and running a Shopify store, this thing is not going to help you. It is probably going to cost you money in the long run, unfortunately. Now, if they fix it, great. I might change my mind on it. You know, but right now, in its current form, this should be an alpha. It shouldn't even be a beta. It shouldn't be released. That's it. This is Doc. Thanks for watching. And I'm just putting this here just so that you guys can, you know, fix this and maybe make it usable, because it's something I'd like to use. All right, thanks.